What's up, Hoopties and Hot Rods fans? There's Jason, a new face on the channel, my longtime buddy. Here's what we got going on. So, the traction bars and stuff off of Truckee Chan, once Truck Norris, have come off and they're going on Jason's truck. So, we got the traction bars drilled, mounted. He actually got the differential from my truck, so it's got a strange engineering yoke and jegs, whatchamadooders, caps, and it's got a posi in it. So everything that was in the turbo truck, it was high performance, is coming out and probably going on this truck. You know, we did the transmission cross member, 4L80 upgrade, Circle D, billet stall converter, 6-liter, long tubes, all in a cute little package. More to come. Poor pitiful thing. Soon it'll be this. I'll check it out. I'll give you a sneak peek. Some 15 by 9-inch wheels. Woo! Gonna complete the look. I'm gonna have them shined up. Hoopties and Hot Rods, baby.